The thief knot. The thief knot is very similar to the reef knot, but much less secure. It is said that sailors would secure their belongings in their kit bags using the thief knot with the ends hidden. If another sailor went into their bag, it was most likely that they would retie the bag with the more easily tied and common reef knot, which would reveal that the bag had been tampered with, hence the name the thief knot. To tie the thief knot, take the free end of one rope, bend the free end back on itself to form a bight. Take the free end of the second rope, pass it down through the loop created, up on the same side as the first rope's free end, and across the bight. Continue round to bring it back up through the loop, take hold of all four strands and pull the knot tight. As you can see, it is almost identical to the reef knot. It is square, it is flat. The difference being the free ends are on opposite sides. If you take the standing parts and put them under tension, the knot immediately starts to slip. It will eventually come apart. The thief knot.